For creating the same simulation, press Shift A. To create an object, you can select any object, but I am selecting torso here. Press R for the rotation on the x-axis. Press G and move the object up. Press S and scale it. Press Ctrl 2 to add subdivision level 2. Press Ctrl A to apply the modifier. Press Shift A again to create a cube. Press S for scaling and Z for scaling the Z axis. Set the visibility of the object to the bounding box. Now press I for adding the keyframe and select location. Set the end frame to 100. Go on the last frame, the object of the Z axis, and add another keyframe. Select the torso and add the vertex group. Then go on modifier and add vertex weight proximity. Select vertex group and in the target object select a cube. In proximity mode select geometry. Go to weight paint mode and adjust the lowest and highest value. Set the fall off value to smooth. Go back to object mode again. Now in physics, add cloth simulation. In shape, pin the vector group and set the shrink factor to -1. Now go on collision and tick cell collision. Set quality 5. Tick on pressure and set the value 5. In stiffness, set the shear value to 15. Now go to cache and click on back. Go on modifier and add subdivision. Now go to Geometry tab. Now add the geometry modifier. Add a capture attribute node. Add the value node to value node and the attribute node to attribute node. In the geometry modifier, select the vertex group on the value and set the attribute name to vet. Now go to the shading and material. Add the attribute node and type the same name that you specify on the geometry node modifier. Copy the shader node and a mixed shader node. Now connect both shader and connect fact to fact. Set the base color roughness and metallic. All set now, you can render it. Like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.